Welcome to our, is it the fifth one?
Fifth edition.
I think it's the fifth edition here of Make the World a Better Place. Today we're going to be making a really simple recipe because, hey, we're midway through here. It's crunch time. It's also fair time. We're getting all those exhibits in, so I know y'all are busy, so it's something really quick and easy. And it'll be our ode to fair food because it's on a stick. Okay, so the ingredients we'll be using today are fresh fruit. We like berries here, so strawberries,
blueberries, kiwi, blackberries over here.
And the recipe kind of calls for angel food cake, but we're gonna be using sponge cakes, which are really delicious too. So super excited.
So we did take those sponge cakes and we cut them into quarters. We cut them into quarters. So just for their ease to get them on the skewer, so it's a little bit more of a bite size, so they'll fit on there easier than the whole cup.
For sure. And then we have this lovely Ghirardelli bag of classic white chocolate chips. So the first thing you're gonna do is melt those down and just do it in the microwave. I usually do it in intervals of about 20 seconds and then stir it well, and don't overcook it because you don't want burnt chocolate. No. Okay. So we'll go ahead and get started.
You're gonna take a stick and then you're just gonna start loading your kebab, and however you wanna bake it, whatever pattern, whatever fruit you want. So if you want all strawberries, that's great. If you want blackberries and strawberry mix or blueberry, totally whatever works for you. So just started by loading on our first little piece of cake. Mine's sliding down a little bit, but that's okay.
Grab a piece of kiwi here to make this one nice and exciting. And make sure you got clean hands.
Maybe start with a piece of fruit and not the cake so it doesn't slide down.
It's a learning process.
Learning process.
As is everything this year. All right. I'm so excited. These are going to be so yummy. Do a little blackberry on there. I like that diversity. Makes life exciting. And blueberries, we'll see how blueberries work because they're kind of small. But
little. Maybe like 3 blueberries at once.
Yeah, why not? Okay. You know, they would probably work as nice little stoppers on your side.
So your cake doesn't fall down.
Hey, learning process. Perfect.
So yeah.
All right, my first skewer is done. It's done.
So is mine.
So go ahead and make a few and lay them on your plate. And then when you got them all done, then you can drizzle the chocolate across all of them so you don't have to do each one individually. So check back in a couple of minutes and we'll have a few more done. There we go. Hello, we are back. We have all of our skewers done. They look great with the shortbread cake and the fruit. So we got our white chocolate here and we're going to start drizzling it over. I think the easiest way is to just do it with a fork.
Yeah, just go for it.
We'll just go over everything.
Oh, that looks awesome.
It'll look really yummy. Hopefully we use all this.
So you might want to put them in the fridge for a few minutes after you get the chocolate drizzle, just so it hardens up a little bit. It'll be a little bit messy.
A little messy. But eat them outside while you're sipping lemonade and enjoying the lovely day.
It sounds great. I mean, more chocolate's always good.
Okay. Just don't want chocolate to go to waste. It's a commodity.
That is a party foul.
You can go both directions with it. Make it your own little art project, guys. This would look so good on a food and nutrition exhibit or a food review.
Yeah, it would.
You come up with a good theme for it. They're so pretty in their own way.
Look great. No actual chocolate in white chocolate.
Nope.
Ooh.
We're making a
little bit of a mess. That's okay.
But we'll clean it up. Okay.
Perfect. Those look
Beautiful.
great. Excellent.
All right. Who wants a close-up?
Yay.
Delicious. Yummy.
Awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching, and join us next week where I think we're going to make a strawberry salad.
Yeah. So strawberries again.
Stay tuned. Bye, everyone.
And remember to like and subscribe.
Hit the notification bell. I don't know.